What's going on YouTube? Welcome to today's video. Hope you're all having a great day, by the way. So yeah, as you can see from the title of today's video, we're going to be doing something different to my usual videos. And that is going to be an unboxing of my new Ruroc 4.0 Atlas in Nebula Carbon. I just got the helmet a couple of days ago. So before we do the unboxing, we're going to have a quick breakdown as to why I bought the helmet in the first place. So I've actually been looking at these Ruroc helmets for a while now, ever since I've seen the advertising for them on social media. I'm sure you guys have seen the advertising all over there. So I recently saw a video, I think it was like 2 weeks ago now, where they said that this is on 50% off, which brought the price down to £238 over here in the UK. So I thought, you know, why not? Let's go for it. Let's go for it. So, quick background. My current helmet that I use most regularly is this HJC I-90. And this one is the modular helmet. So it opens at the front. And I really like this helmet because I wear glasses. So for me to get the helmet on and off is really easy. I don't have to take my glasses off. I just open the front bit and I can slip it on without having to do that. But I have crashed in this helmet. I don't know if you can make out, but there's some graze marks here and here, and I have dropped it once as well. So it's not a very safe helmet anymore for me to use. So I've also got this HJC, which is the F70, all black. This isn't a modular one, so the front doesn't open up, it's just a normal helmet. I like this one because it's a lot lighter than this one, but I do prefer that one. So yeah, I haven't really worn this one that much. I just bought it as like a backup helmet really. So yeah, we've got that. And then we've got this new one. So let's get on with the unboxing. I haven't actually seen the helmet yet. You lot are unboxing it with me. So this is my first time seeing the helmet. And the weird thing about this helmet is it has such mixed reviews online. So before buying the helmet, I watched lots of review videos. I watched as many review videos as I could, just to, you know, before I buy anything really, I do that. So yeah, I watched loads of review videos and they're all so mixed. Like some people absolutely love the helmet, some people hate the helmet. So it's not a good sign from the get-go. The box is ripped here. So whoever's lifted this box has probably lifted it a few times. The box is ripped here. It's the first time I'm looking at the helmet myself, right? Bit of a scuff on the box there. Yeah, so these handle grab bits are completely ripped, so anyway, let's see. Let's see. So that's what it looks like inside. Got a visor here. I'm guessing it's a dark visor. So it's a dark visor. I'm pretty sure it will say for track use only. Alright, put that to the side for now. I've got the helmet in its carry case. Not too sure what these are. And we've got the pin lock. So you have to pay extra for pin locks. from Ruroc. From every other company, the pin lock comes free. Every other company that I've seen anyway so far, pin lock comes free, but with Ruroc, you have to buy it separately. You've got a bottle opener, keyring. Ruroc bottle opener. It's a bit random. And that's it. That's all that comes in the box. I didn't order any other visors. You can order all different colours and stuff, but I didn't bother. So this is my first time seeing the helmet, guys. I should have really put a cloth down on the table so I don't scratch it, but we'll just use the bag. Now, the bag doesn't have one of those drawstring things to keep it in place, that's right. So we've got the Ruroc bag. Put that down, and here is the helmet, guys. Now that is a good looking helmet. So those of you that follow me on social media, you guys will know what motorbike I've gone for now that I'm getting rid of the Sur-Ron. You guys will know. So that's why I got this. I was gonna get the blue, just the blue carbon, just the straight blue, because that would probably go better with the bike. But like I said, this was on sale for half price, so I just grabbed it. Now, my initial inspections of the helmet. There is a bit of a, let's come forward. I don't know if the camera will pick this out. I don't know if the camera will pick it out, but there is a bit of inconsistency here, just a tiny bit that I can see where it's a bit, I don't know how to explain, but yeah, it's a bit dented, tiny little dents. The rest of the helmet from my initial inspections looks all good. So one thing that I've heard about these Rurocs is the padding comes loose around here and stuff like that. But it's okay for now. So I bought this in an extra small. Both my other helmets are extra small because I have a tiny head. So yeah, my initial reactions are it looks bloody gorgeous. Beautiful colour. Let me come up to the camera again and show you a bit of a close up of the helmet. So I've got my, I used to work for high-end jewellers. We sell like really high-end watches, APs and stuff. So I've got my watch dealer gloves on today so I don't get any fingerprints on this new helmet for the camera. So, my initial thoughts are it is gorgeous. The padding is really soft compared to these two. And it feels like there's more padding as well. The weight, considering it's carbon, I thought it would be a lot lighter than this. On the website it says it weighs 1,600 grams. For comparison, a i90 weighs 1,700, so it weighs 100 more grams. It actually feels a lot heavier than that. And which one's this? The F70. The F70 weighs 1,480. So this is 120 grams lighter apparently than the Ruroc. But they feel pretty comparable in weight. Doesn't feel that much lighter. So let's try it on. What sort of lecture we got here? Cool. How does this work? It says pull. There we go. Never seen a latch system like this before. It's like a weird magnetic latch. Never seen anything like that before. So yeah, let's try it on. Extra small. If it's too small, I'll just send it back. Right, gonna have to pause the video, guys. Someone's at my door. I'll be back. Sorry about that, guys. Had a delivery, which is weird for a Sunday. So yeah, back to trying the helmet. Now, my initial thoughts are that it's very tight. Oh. Gosh, that is tight. Holy moly. Right, let's try that again. Wow, that is super tight. So, my ears are folded in. Because the helmet is pretty tight, I can't actually move my ears back in place. But usually I'll wear a balaclava anyway. So, let's see what it's like to get my glasses. Back on. That's alright. Feels good. It's not too tight, apart from my ears at the moment. But I'll sort that out when I have my balaclava. And then we're going to have to loosen this up a bit for my chin. Yeah, what do you guys think? My God, that's so tight. That is so tight to get on and off. That is crazy. But once it's on, it fits perfectly. I'm guessing once you've worn it a while, the padding will loosen up and it'll be a lot easier to get on and off. And once I have my balaclava on, it'll also be a lot easier to get on and off. So yeah, that's my initial unboxing video. What do you guys think? Yay or nay? Good purchase or not? I'm not sure whether this little bit of indentation is enough for me to send it back. I'm not sure. It's a bit of like glue residue or something there. So yeah, for my initial research from these videos, a lot of people were saying that, you know, stuff like this was a regular thing, and like the padding comes off really quickly, stuff like that. So what do you guys think? I don't know if you can make out the that bit. If I move it a bit, I don't know if you guys can make it out. There's a bit of like denting over here. But yeah, I don't think that's enough for me to send it back, to be honest. So yeah, that's it. That's my initial video. It looks very nice. It does fit very well. I'm going to look through the helmet a bit more in detail by myself after this. And then decide whether to send it back or keep it. But my initial thoughts are I'm going to keep it. Fits really well. Colour's gorgeous. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. It fits a bit tighter than this to get on and off. It's definitely a lot tighter than this to get on and off. But this helmet I've had, this is my regular helmet, so the padding inside's got a bit loose on this. This fits me really. It's now a little bit loose. This is still perfect. Yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments of the helmet. Is it a win? Is it a fail? Is it a yay? Is it a nay? Would you buy one? Do you own one? What are your thoughts if you do own one? How long have you had it? And what are your, how's it been for you? I've had no problem with these two helmets. So let's see what this one's like. I like the visibility. I really liked when I put it on this bit here, and this bit's really wide, so the visibility was really good. Padding feels really nice actually. So yeah, it is a bit girly to be honest. With the purple, it's a bit more purple than I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be a bit more blue because it is called Nebula Blue. This looks more like Nebula Purple in this light that we're in at the moment. Might be a bit different in the sun. So yeah, that's my initial review and unboxing. I'm going to be wearing it for the next few months, whatever. So maybe after 6 months, I'll do a follow-up video on what the helmet's like, what the padding's like after 6 months and stuff like that. If it's all coming apart like some of the reviews talk about. It's really weird because literally, like, if you watch videos for this helmet, it's so mixed. It's so mixed. Some people absolutely love the Rurocs and some people hate them. So yeah, that's my initial video. Hope you all have a great day. Thanks for watching. Give the video a like if you liked it. If you didn't like it, give it a thumbs down. If you want to see more videos like this, let me know in the comments and I'll do some more review videos. I've been meaning to, but time, work, life, it's been a bit manic recently. I'm going to try and do some more review videos on my gear, so let me know in the comments if you want to see that. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel, it helps me massively. And if you want to hit that notification bell, so when I load up a video, you'll get a notification and see them straight away. So yeah, that's it for today. Hope you all had a great day, and it's Sunday now, so enjoy the rest of your weekend. Peace!